enjoying my breakfast and my view. Don't mind all the construction. It's an off-grid property. Hi, VJ. Hey everybody, Lacey here from Bella Soul Retreat. I'm going to take you on that walk. That's my property behind me. It's a bit of a mess, but it's a work in progress because, off-grid living. So right now I'm just walking to the inlet where we would go to the front of my property, which is technically the back, but because my house is situated that way, I call it my front yard. So as you can see, my driveway is pretty long. It's not the longest in the world, but it's a bit of a trek. And right off of my driveway is a nice covert area that leads us to the bush. I've got Gizmo with me. Say hi, Giz. And there we go. We're heading into the bush. See you soon. So the first trek of the bush, it's mainly dead trees, tag elders, and marsh. Okay, so we've come to the first little clearing. This is where I'm gonna put my first campsite, little retreat for you guys to be able to come and visit and hang out. It's gonna be a lot of work, but it'll be fun. I just wanted to stop and show you. This is so soft. And I love all the moss growing on everything. So pretty. Okay guys, we made it through the tag elders and now we're in the bush. It's about a 5-minute walk through the tag elders, but this is the starting of the front yard forest. Let's see what we can find. We've got the creek here. It's quite deep in some areas. It does have fish in it. It goes all through the property. So as you can see here, the water does get pretty high up to this area here, if not higher at some times. So there is potential for a lot deeper fishing at times. And I'm just noticing that there's a beaver dam over there. Let's go take a closer look. So this is what the beavers also did. They took down all these trees to make their little dam. Aren't they nice? We have animal scat, which is more than likely deer. And then all these divots in the ground. And see how it is a nice little bed. That's where the deer go and sleep. There's a bunch of them everywhere here. I just noticed Gizmo was digging here. What'd you find, buddy? What did you find? What's in there? Huh? What did you find? He's getting me all dirty. That's okay, buddy. Oh my God, guys, look. Look. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna say if you're squeamish, look away. Because I have a feeling that this is an animal of some sorts. I don't know what it is, guys. What do you think this is? You gotta comment and let me know. I don't know what it is. It's thick fur. Whatever it is. Giz, stay close. Okay, guys, give me a second. I'm gonna rustle up some things. Maybe there's some bones somewhere. Oh, there's more over there. Okay. Let me see what I can find. Is just digging away. What you got, buddy? What did you find? Let's go take a look. He's digging in that hole by the tree again. Or sorry, making a hole by the tree. What did you, holy crap, bud. What's down there? I'm not sure. It's just a day of finding things, I guess. Okay, guys, that's where it was. And there's little bits of fur everywhere here. I think I found the tail. I'm not quite sure. But I found some more things. Oh my gosh, look at it all. Wow. What do you think could have did this, guys? It's everywhere. Who knows? It could have been a bear. But this definitely feels like a cat or a wolf of some sort. I always say wolf, but I'm sure it's just a bobcat. I just don't see any bones. I wonder where all the bones are. I have a feeling they're on the other side of the creek here. And if you listen, that's where the waterfalls is. Let's go take a look at that first. Come on, Giz. Guys, mind my shadow, but I was just over there and I'm walking through the little creek here and I found deer tracks. I had no idea that these were here. I'm getting stuck in the mud. Oh, oh, quicksand. Okay, I made it. Guys, there's the waterfall. There it is, guys. Little tiniest waterfall. But you know what? It's my waterfall, and that's all that matters. The beavers really have built this up since when I first moved here. None of those sticks were there, especially right there where the waterfalls is. It's probably why the creek is as low as it is right now, because all of this would be flowing down that creek that I had showed you earlier. That's crazy. Now we're gonna take a walk up here and go into the woods. Let's go.